Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to file a claim with Coinbase's insurance. Alright, if you've been wondering how to file a claim with Coinbase's insurance, this video is for you. It's gonna be a really quick one, just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log in on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website through your computer. And once you're logged in, you just want to go to the settings tab. Once you're there, you want to click on insurance, and then you're going to click on file a claim. Next, you're going to enter the claim details, the date, amount, and whatnot. Just fill out the details, and then you're going to need to upload supporting documents. And once that's done, just submit the claim and it's gonna be processed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to file a claim with Coinbase's insurance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next